everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back, and thank you for your continuous support. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and easy recipe using the air fryer. We are going to make some steak and potato bite. Interested and want to see this recipe? Please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
If you are new here, my name is Claude Mott, owner and founder of Lobongo Seasoning. Lobongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website that I created when I was in grad school, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning. Our meat seasoning comes in 3 flavors. We have a regular, mild, spicy. We also make extreme spicy, but only upon request. We have organic barbecue marinade. Our barbecue marinade also comes in different flavors. We have a bourbon, a whiskey peach, a brown sugar, and a jerk barbecue marinade. We also have organic jerk marinade. Our jerk marinade also comes in different flavors as well. We also have a mango, a pineapple, and we also have some organic hot pepper sauce and so much more. If you are interested and want to try one of our products, I'll make sure to have it right here, and it'll also be in the description below. Okay guys, let's jump right into the recipe. Here is a closer look of our organic meat seasoning. Alright, we are going to start by seasoning the meat. If you are using more meat guys, please feel free to add more. I think I added about 3 tablespoons in there. And this meat seasoning is an all-in-one, so I'm not gonna be adding anything else. It is packed with flavor. It doesn't need any extra salt. Everything is in there. Now that I have fully seasoned the meat, we're just going to let it sit and we just put it in the air fryer. This steak and potato bite recipe guys, we are going to be using an air fryer. Before we get started, I already went ahead and boiled the potatoes. To season our potatoes, we are going to use some Old Bay, some paprika, and a little bit of virgin oil, and we are going to mix that all together, and then we are going to add it in the air fryer. And when you are using this recipe, please feel free to adjust the amount of seasoning that you are using based on the amount of meat or the amount of potatoes that you are cooking as well. Now that I have added the paprika, the Old Bay, and the oil, we are going to give that a good mix. And this is the air fryer that I am using. It is a mini air fryer. Now we are going to add our seasoned potatoes in the air fryer. And we are going to make sure that they are fully spread. And now we are going to add our air fryer on and let it fry at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. It has been 12 minutes. And this is how our potatoes are looking like. They are super crispy and came out perfect. If you want them to be more crispy, please feel free to add more time. Now that our potato is ready, now we are going to begin cooking our steak. And I'm going to add the steak in the air fryer. We are going to make sure we have enough space so that they can all cook evenly. Now that I have added the steak, so we are going to air fry the steak for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. I'm not even going to leave it for the full 10 minutes. So we are basically going to air fry the steak for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. And this is the final result of what our steak bite is looking like. And now we are going to begin plating. And here is a closer look of our steak and potato bite. It came out perfect, the potatoes are crispy, well seasoned, and the steak is very tender and juicy and well seasoned as well. Now to top it off, I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of chipotle sauce. If you want, you can use some spicy mayo, whichever sauce you prefer. And here is the final recipe. Guys, this was a quick and easy recipe, and you don't have to boil the potatoes if you are crunching full time. As you can see, this recipe was very easy to put together. Simply season the meat with the meat seasoning, and then we are done, and we just put it in the air fryer. Super easy, very delicious, and your family will love this. If you make this recipe, guys, please let me know what you'll add. Let me know what you'll do differently. Let me know what you will not add, and let me know if you will cook your steak in an air fryer. If you have never cooked your steak in an air fryer, this video proves you that it is possible. So I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, most of you who watch my video are not subscribers. I'll appreciate if you remember to subscribe to help support my channel and help me grow. As you can see, I was able to put this recipe together in less than 20 minutes. If you have a busy week ahead, or you had a busy day and you want to put something quick together, or you don't want to have a heavy meal, this is perfect. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me until the end. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.